Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you from the Cybernous team. I am Pratima Sharma, co founder of Cybernous, and your host for today's very special conversation. Today, I am joined by someone whose journey truly reflects determination, discipline, and belief. And newly certified CISSP professional, Mr. Parvez Nadaf. Parvez story is not just about passing CISSP, it's about transforming mindset, becoming consistent, and trusting the process. Something we truly believe in here at Cybernous. In this video, we are going to hear from Parvez, navigated the ups and downs, how our CISSP Success Toolkit and mentorship model supported him, and what tips he has for future aspirants. So let's dive deep in and welcome Parvez to our channel and many congratulations.
Yeah, hi all. My name is Parvez Nadaf. I have passed my CISSP in my first attempt. My experience has been amazing. I want to start with my little bit of a background. So I am from security operations background. I have around 10 plus years of experience. So CISSP was something in my mind I wanted to take, but I wanted to take with someone whom I had belief, kind of a mentor, whom I'm kind of day to day kind of accountable to them, and that is when I found out Manoj Sharma sir, Cybernous team. It was via a YouTube video that I got stuck into. It was the first time that I have ever watched a video which is 58 minutes. I still remember the video. As soon as I saw that video, that is when I reached out to Cybernous team, and then I said, "Hey, I want to understand what all you guys, what all courses you have, and I'm very interested to, register with you guys." I think within 5 minutes, I was actually assured. Got on a call with Cybernous team, and they explained it, which was amazing. It gave me belief that I will be working with a great mentor, Manoj Sharma sir, without doubt. And I registered then and there itself, and that is how my journey started. I was registered into batches, and then we were given CST 3.0, which is an amazing toolkit. I want to share my experience wherein every day, for CISSP, because it is 1 meter in depth and miles apart, so it's huge. So having a mentor whom we are accountable day to day. The CST 3.0 was very nicely briefed, very nicely laid down. That is what I wanted. Every day we were given notes and videos by Manoj Sharma sir, which are amazing, in depth, very accurate. And based on that, we had punch statements, we had quizzes, and those quizzes were really very helpful to gauge our knowledge. And then weekly, we used to have a gym session, 4+ hours of gym session every week. I mean, I cannot, say the importance that it has added for my CISSP journey. So we went till the end, 100 days, which was just amazing. Went over all the 8 domains. It was in depth. I understood my strengths and weaknesses. And Manoj Sharma is just not a mentor, but a very, very good friend also. He made sure he gave that confidence to book the exam, looking at our progress, and had that belief. He had that belief, as well as the amount of learning that we did from CST 3.0 was just amazing. So very proud and happy that I went with Manoj Sharma sir. And it might be me who might have cleared the exam, but I think it is Cybernous, Manoj Sharma sir also equally responsible to my success in CISSP. With my overall experience with CST 3.0, I would highly recommend anyone who is preparing for CISSP, because you need a mentor whom you're accountable to. And CST 3.0, Manoj Sharma and Cybernous overall is the way to go. And as I've cleared it in my first attempt, I would highly recommend everyone to work with Manoj Sharma sir. You will not regret in the end. I'm really happy. I hope anyone who goes with them will be happy, and we have seen the success with others as well.
So, Parvez, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your story so honestly. Your journey will light up the path for many others who are struggling or, doubting their potential. At Cybernous, we always say it's not just about passing CISSP, it's about becoming a kind of a leader who earns it in a right way, with clarity, with confidence and commitment. So, everyone watching, If you felt inspired today, and know that CISSP Success Toolkit, our daily support system, one-on-one coaching are built exactly for people like you, dreamers, doers, and professionals ready to take the next big leap. Subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn, and drop your questions in the comment below because we are here to help your success. Till then, stay secure, stay consistent, and never stop believing in your growth. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.